Hello, you Mayhem Makers. I'm Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and today I have Miss Debbie with me.
Hello.
Yay! We have a new event coming, and she was so excited about it. She has kind of commandeered my Mindy's Monday Live. She's like, we need to tell all the people. So, we're super excited. If you missed our big Bernina event that we had last month in October, don't worry. Debbie's done some negotiating. We've got an amazing educator coming. So I'm going to let her explain, our educator, and kind of what's going on.
Yeah, so we've had Sandra Swick, who is a Bernina ambassador, educator, whatever her title is. She is amazing. We love her energy. We're having her come back to Quilting Mayhem for 3 days. On one of the days, the first day, we're going to do a Meet the L890, which is the top of the line Bernina serger. We love this serger. You're going to be able to make this very cute little pouch that has lots of features of the machine that you use during that. And then we also, the following day, we have Meet the 790 Pro, which is such a great machine. That came out a little over a year ago, year and a half.
Yep, it was released just last year. Oh, if you watch my videos, you'll see that's where, that's what lives in my sewing room currently, because I maybe haven't been able to take the big one home yet. So if you see those, that's that machine, and oh my God, I still love that. I mean, it's an amazing machine, and we do have machine specials also that will go on during this event.
We have some really good pricing going on.
Yes.
And then on day 3, then we have the big mother load, the B990. Now I have this machine at home. I have been using it. I didn't know that I would love a machine even more than my 880, and now I have this 990 that is so wonderful. So we're going to do some work on that, make a little, it's not really a project, but you're going to be able to find out different features of that machine.
Yeah, that one is a more technique based. So the L890 is a project based, the 790 Pro is a project based, and then the 990 is a more machine based because it's just so robust with features.
Yeah.
We want to make sure that you get kind of through all the little things, and that was just too hard to do in a day with a project. There's just not enough time in the day to do all the things that this machine comes with. And you mentioned how you didn't know that you would love it as much as you do your 880, and I mean, you're not the only one. There's been quite a few people that have bitten the bullet, they like their 880 and they weren't sure, and just they keep coming back going, oh my God, it's just so much better. So if you have an 880 and you're that person, you're on the fence, you don't need a new machine, all those kinds of things, but you're curious about what it does, this is the event to do, because you'll actually get to touch the machine. It is a hands-on event. We do have machines in stock, which is not common right now with stores. So we do have just a few machines in stock that you'll actually get to play on. And then of course the L890 will also be a hands-on, and that's been out a little while, but that is that air thread serger that, oh my God, that turned me into a garment maker. Up until then I was like, I don't know, maybe. And it's a dream. I love it.
It's almost like I'm in my own sewing studio at home because I own both of these machines and I absolutely love both of them. And I will clarify that we have these 3 classes, but they're individual classes. You don't have to sign up for all 3, but you can sign up for all 3. So.
Yes, and that's what's a little different. Our big event, it was you were learning all the things, touching all the things. And we also touched on some long arms and those kinds of things. And don't worry, if you are curious, you want to come to any one or all 3, but you also maybe want to hear about the Q series or Laura Star or OESD products, any of those other things that maybe we talked about or you saw in our open house but really didn't get to participate in, we will gladly go over all of those things also. So we're kind of calling it it's a little mini Bernina event with Sandra, because she has all the knowledge. I think she should just be Bernina Guru. That's her title, because we do love her, and we're excited to have her back. It's been a while to have her here. So check out our website, go to quiltingmayhem.com. It is November 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. You can read each class description, see what they're all about. sign up for one, sign up for all. We will gladly have you all 3 days. I mean, we've got the room. We'll take you here and get your hands on these machines, and of course learn about the specials, those kinds of things during those 3 days, or one of 3 days, whichever you choose to do. But yeah, we're super excited to have this. We just got it on the calendar, so we wanted to make sure everybody knew about it, because it's just going to be an amazing event. So I hope you are following us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. We try to hit all those channels with all our updated information, plus tutorials, all our informational stuff. We try to get that out there, or on our email, on our Quilting Mayhem email. That keeps you all up to date on our events for sure, because we do have a weekly one that will tell you new classes and events and all those kinds of things. So make sure you're not just swipe and delete on those emails. They actually have some good information, especially if you're looking for a new class or event that might help you learn something new. So make sure you get on that newsletter if you're not. Otherwise, I hope you have a lovely day. And from Debbie and I, keep on stitching.